Sorry about that. Had a little bit of an intrusion. It appears I'm going to have to go away for a while. So, until then, enjoy the show.
Here we're going to start making the receiver of the shotgun. Right now I'm going to be making the rear parts that are the breech faces. Here I'm going to be working on what's called the water table, which is the bottom of the shotgun and is going to be used as the point of pivot for the opening break action. Here I'm going to start making the pivot point that will connect later on to the forearm. This will be the vital point for the break action. Now I'm going to start making the forearm for the shotgun. This is where typically a person would place their hand so that they could steady the gun. Again, where a case or using just basic shapes can be sculpted into any way you want. Sometimes it's really difficult to get it just right whenever you're adding and subtracting these little pieces to try and sculpt the print into a larger, almost art piece. Now I'm going to be making the pivot pin that will create the pivot point. This is what will keep the whole gun together while letting it move independently. Now I'm going to elongate the hole on the forearm that will create a sliding point so that it can turn and pivot much easier.
Gonna be seeing you next time.